Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Medeek wall plugin. My name is Nathaniel P. Wilkerson, and today I wanted to discuss the addition of stair layers or stair tags to the wall plugin. So I've gone ahead for the sake of time and just pre-drawn this basic staircase, a straight run of stairs with a single landing, some skirt boards, handrail, and a little carpet or cover as it's called. All right, so the first thing you'll notice is that up until now, everything with the stair module has been put on the wall framing layer. So if we go in here into the layers or tags and we turn off wall framing, you're going to notice that it turns off all that entire staircase, right? So that's kind of inconvenient because there are times where you want to break that out and into separate tags or layers. So what I've done is let's go ahead and jump into the layers tab here in the wall plugin, and you'll notice that I've now added a section called stair framing layers. So I've created 5 additional layers specifically for stairs: the framing, sheathing, cover, skirt, and handrail layer. And now I may add some other ones just depending on the feedback I get here, but at least I figured we could start with these basic 5 and take it from there. So what we'll do is up here along the top, you're going to see now 3 options. So we're going to turn on the stair layers. Now, to turn on stair layers, you have to basically have the wall layers turned on as well. So it basically, the stair layers is dependent still on the wall layers. So if you turn all the wall layers off, then the stair layers will also remain off. But typically everybody is using wall layers, and then stair layers is essentially another advanced wall layers, right? So we'll go ahead and turn that on, and you'll see that this now all activates. And we'll go ahead and hit Save Settings. All right, and then we'll just jump out of here real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and regenerate this stairway. Now with those layers turned on, I'm just going to go ahead and right-click on it and regen the stair assembly. And the first thing you'll notice, of course, is that we now have 5 additional layers or tags created here. So I'm just going to cycle through those real quick and toggle their visibility so you can see what happens. Let's zoom in here a little bit so we can see better. All right, so stair cover, that's of course is our carpet. And then the handrail now is on a separate layer. Now I've only got basic handrail here. I mean, this also includes posts, balusters, that sort of thing, as well as for deck handrails as well. So we'll turn that off. And now we've got the skirt boards. Those are on their own separate layer. And the sheathing is not only the sheathing for the landing, but it also is the risers and the landing treads and the basic treads as well. So you'll notice here now that turns off all of that except for the stringers and the side spacer boards, and of course just our basic solid for the landing. So we're essentially left now with the framing for the staircase. And of course that final layer is the stair framing. All right, so we basically have 5 new layers, and this essentially allows you to be a little more granular in your visibility for toggling everything on and off. I'm just going to turn that all back on for you guys. So yeah, this was a user request, and actually a very good user request, because it was meaning to do this for quite some time. I just hadn't got around to it, and just had to put that bird in my ear. All right, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for this, or would like to see additional layers or tags added, please go ahead, give me a call, send me an email, and I'll see what I can do. All right, we will talk to you guys later.